I'm going to present my paper. My paper name is Blockchain-based medical information sharing service architecture. My name is Sang-Young Lee. First, introductions. As interest in the medical environment is increasing, the demand for medical service is also increasing. Therefore, the establishment of one foundation for the development of medical service became to the center of attention, and the medical information sharing business has started. Since medical information system has been converted into EMR, health information has created and distributed by non-medical personnel because of interest in healthcare is increasing and expansion of smart device. If health information recorded by individual is applied to medical research in an unproven state, it may cause wrong result. Therefore, it is impossible to use it directly in the medical site, and there is a problem in that reliable medical information may be injected into medical research and development due to malicious attacked from inside and outside. Generally, blockchain technology is a distributed database, which is a ledger technology that records about the change. For example, adding information, revising, and deleting in the unit of block and share. Here, the ledger basically means a list of transactions, but blockchain technology can be applied to all data if it is interpreted as shared information. In general, security becomes a great concern when using cloud computing, especially medical institutions use a remote cloud base to manage and protect sensitive and confidential data related to personal medical care on base of cloud service. Therefore, the stability of companies that manage hospital data is very important in terms of security. Not only that, patients may feel uncomfortable giving their medical data to third parties, which means medical institutions are obliged to protect data from unauthorized user by selecting a reliable cloud service provider. The verification of security and proven performance analysis is more important than, especially in the cloud computing environment. With the platform central managed PHR of patients is able to retrieve medical information and share it with his/her doctor. In addition, the patients can edit and share medicine information, insurance rate information, medical record, etc. With the computer is where his home to be special and can be used to input users' picture, provide has information relating to picture, upload picture information, medical institute, check drug interaction, search hospital, doctor, and so on. This picture is very medical and varies and picture. Picture covers or information related to personal health, and it is a concept that including personal healthcare service, personal health information, and personal health management information overall. EMR is medical information system created and used within a single medical institution, and EHR is a medical information system that complies with national standard for interoperability and used by multiple medical institutions. The personal medical information served in the EMR and EHR becomes the importance base of picture. Picture has developed from an early model which confirmed easily personal health information status across various institutions and devices that are integrated and sharing with each other. And now it is developing into a model that provides useful services such as self healthcare, disease medical institution, disease prevention related to insurance companies, and follow-up management. In the near future, specialized information such as social networking, behavior, habit, and extra will be added, but only gently information analyzing a new health indicator and offering personalized disease prevention healthcare. This paper is to offer how to apply blockchain technology in the medical site and how to use in PHR application. We provide an architecture for a gateway application of healthcare data for ease and safe control and sharing of PHR data. Second, rate work medical information that was recorded by hand of medical personnel in the past has been converted to EMR, which is the introduction of an information system. We, as interested in the personal health, include the concept of medical information is changing into EHR, and recently its scope has expanded to picture. With the spread of wearable device, IoT and smart devices, as the number of population increase, medical personnel and the amount of medical information is increasing naturally. The data quality of medical information is demanded to encourage the use of medical information that has been greatly increased, and international standard for medical information such as DICOM and HS7 has been applied accordingly. Now it becomes possible to exchange and share medical information among various institutions such as hospital, medical research institution, and legal institution. As the interest in such a medical environment increased, the demand for the development of medical services is soaring. Therefore, the establishment of a foundation for the development of medical services is emphasized, and various studies on medical information has been conducted. This study comply with international device system, medical system, which generate medical information through medical information systems such as OCS, EMR, and EDI. The standard is applied to the information, but the method of saving the information vary depending medical information system. In order to properly use medical information, an appropriate interface is required, which is converted into format of various medical information systems. Such can be retrieved and inquired, and medical information can be transmitted to various medical institutions. Out of the various technology and methods, the most effectually provide method is repository, metadata, sub, and medical gateway. The presentation use of blockchain in the health society is electronic medical record, and it is divided into electronic record centered EMR. The main studies related to this have focused on the management of personal medical or health-related data, of both creating and saving electronic document. In fact, study of EMR use case of blockchain have mainly conduct of blockchain decentralization, immutability, data source, reliability, readability, contract security, and privacy. The study focused on the use of blockchain for storage and management of patients' electronic medical record, and how to facilitate patient-centric data sharing in various medical services. Thus, medical information sharing. Personal health record has been introducing as a patient-centric health information model. Through this feature service, patients can create, manage, and center their personal health data in one place, which means they can manage data through efficient tool for saving, retrieving, and sharing medical information. The feature allowed patients to control over their medical record and share their health data with various users. In recent years, various IoT devices such as wearable devices, for example, activity tracker, are heart rate measurement, and sleep monitoring device are smart home device has been introduced, and it is expected the IoT personnel will be activity discussing on feature-related healthcare standard in the future. Alright, the current system that uses EHR for measurement centered on provide. Feature can manage data centered over patients. In other words, it is an application that patients use. The concept that data owner access and manage their health information. The ultimate goal of this feature is to help patients safely and conveniently collect, track, and control their health. The information provide also manage hospital visit data, vaccinate record, procession record, and physical activity data collected by smartphone device. In this situation, patients can control how their health information is used or shared through feature. They can maintain the accuracy of their health record and manage to prevent personal potential error in health data. It is inherent the blockchain technology can satisfy the integrity of shared information through the mechanism. The method of modify and processing information on the blockchain is continuously added without detecting or modify black. Those features allowed for information specific life cycle tracking with chain management technology alone without need to implement version management. For this advantage, blockchain is being applied and expanding to information service that required authorization and verification of sharing information. And then architecture with blockchain platform. As your medical information include personal information, there are many kind of security requirements, not only patient's record, basically reliability, integrity, and testability should be guaranteed along with confidently to prevent leak of personal information. Currently, HS7 and DICOM present security requirements as shown in the table. It is a security measure standard for each layer of medical information. This picture is blockchain-based medical information sharing system and the hospital and sharing framework and the blockchain client. The last conclusion. This paper proposes a method of applying blockchain technology in the medical field and use in feature application. That is, an architecture is proposed for a gateway application of healthcare data for each and safe control and sharing of feature data. Thank you.